Hello everyone, I want to tell you that every tip or instruction mentioned in this video has been verified by the mechanics at the shop where I am right now. If you're driving your Honda Accord and suddenly the message Supplemental Restraint System problem appears, the first thing to do is don't panic, but do pay attention. This message isn't just a random warning on your dashboard, it's related to the SRS system, meaning the airbags and seatbelt pretensioners. Basically, your car is saying, hey, something's not right with my safety system. Better check it before it becomes a serious problem. The most common cause reported by mechanics is a problem with the seatbelt or seat sensors. These sensors detect whether a passenger is seated and if the seatbelt is fastened, and if they fail or get dirty, they can trigger the SRS light. In some cases, the issue has been solved simply by cleaning the contacts with isopropyl alcohol or a contact cleaner. Sometimes a little cleaning is all you need for the message to disappear. Now, if you've cleaned the sensors and the light is still on, don't worry yet. Another very common cause is loose or corroded electrical connectors. This can happen under the seats, in the harnesses, or even behind the dashboard. Owners report that simply disconnecting, cleaning, and reconnecting the connectors often eliminates the problem without costing much. If after all this the message still appears, it could be something a bit more serious, like the SSRS module or the clock spring in the steering column. This component maintains the electrical connection to the driver's airbag and the steering wheel controls. If it fails, in addition to triggering the SRS light, it can also make the horn or steering wheel buttons stop working. In this case, it's recommended to have a professional mechanic inspect or replace the part. An important detail mentioned by mechanics is that the SSRS message can sometimes be intermittent, appearing and disappearing on its own. This can happen even if everything seems fine and is often due to imperfect electrical connections or seat sensors that occasionally fail.